I'm Charles Frederick. I want to run you through a few tests that you can use to make sure that your 3-ply disposable mask is authentic. The first test is a visual test. It's a 3-ply mask, so you want to make sure it has three layers. Cut one of your mask open. And inside, when you pull it apart, you should see 3 layers. And the inside layer that goes against your mouth it's going to be a mesh translucent type of material. And it's there to stop spit. And if you cough, the saliva should actually be absorbed by it. Very important. The outside layer is waterproof, and that also is there to stop. Should be relatively impenetrable, and it is there to stop droplets from entering in the first place. Okay, so you should look for those 3 layers. We run a little bit of water from our sink. And when you kind of make a funnel with your mask and put it in there, and you can see the water is sitting on top. All right, I'm going to leave it there for a second. You'll see it's not coming through at all. And then when I dump it, what you should notice, and you'll see this on some other masks, but on ours, it's completely dry on the bottom. There's no moisture, and there should not be any moisture on the bottom. The third test I would suggest is checking that inside layer. That should not be flammable. If it's flammable, there's a problem. It's not an authentic mask. So I'm going to use a lighter and light this, and notice that it doesn't burn. There's no flame that comes off of it. It just melts. There are some other tests that you'll see out there. The breath test, which I didn't do that because if this holds water, you're not going to be able to blow through the test to put out a match or a lighter. If you do these 3 tests, you have a good 3-ply disposable mask.